Provisions relating to safety of workers under the Factories Act 1948. Chapter 4 Safety. Section 21 Fencing of Machinery. Section 22 Work on or near machinery in motion. Section 23 Employment of young persons on dangerous machines. Section 24 Striking gear and devices for cutting of power. Section 25 Self-acting machines. Section 26 Casing of new machinery. Section 27 Prohibition of employment of women and children near cotton openers. Section 28 Hoists and lifts. Section 29 Lifting machines, chains, ropes and lifting tackles. Section 30 Revolving machinery. Section 31 Pressure plant. Section 32 Floors, stairs and means of access. Section 33 Pits, sumps, openings in floors, etc. Section 34 Excessive weights. Section 35 Protection of eyes. Section 36 Precautions against dangerous fumes, gases, etc. Section 36A Precautions regarding the use of portable electric light. Section 37 Explosive or inflammable dust, gas, etc. Section 38 Precautions in case of fire. Section 39 Power to require specifications of defective parts or tests of stability. Section 40 Safety of buildings and machinery. Section 40A Maintenance of buildings. Section 40B Safety officers. Section 41 Power to make rules to supplement this chapter.